Osaka PTFE tube factory, and we are glad to introduce our PTFE tube production line for you. Now let's look at the first step. Here is our first step, the silvering machine, because the transportation will make the powder to clump. So this machine will seal the clump into the powder. The next is our second step, the drum mixer. The solvent oil is added to the raw material and then fused together by the rotation. This is our third step, the preforming machine. This machine is one of the main equipment of the production of the PTFE tube. And it will push the extruded PTFE tube required to the blank by bottom to the top. Here. Now let's look at the fourth step, the push extruder machine. Here is our extruder production line, and our equipment can reach very high standard of concentricity and smoothness. Can also achieve the precise size according to the customer needs. Let's look at the details. Okay, here is our last step, the sintering furnace. The sintering furnace is carry out the PTFE tube more stable. And our machine can produce the industrial tube and the medical tube. The thinning word thickness of medical tube that our machine can produce 0.038.